Lately, I've been exploring new payment technologies, and one keeps standing out: Pi Network. Today, let's talk about why accepting Pi coin could transform your business. Pi isn't just another crypto. It's a global community of over 60 million users, all eager to spend. For business owners, that's a massive untapped market. We'll break down how Pi can expand your reach, cut transaction fees, and boost your brand. Let's dive in. Imagine having instant access to a global audience of 60 million people. Pi Network's user base is exactly that. These are not just numbers. They represent real individuals from every corner of the world, all connected by a shared interest in digital currency and innovation. For any business, this is a rare opportunity to reach a diverse, tech-savvy community that's already engaged and eager to participate in the future of payments. By accepting Pi, your business becomes instantly visible to a community that's actively searching for new places to spend their coins. These users are motivated, curious, and ready to support businesses that embrace the future. It's not just about offering another payment method. It's about opening your doors to a wave of new customers who are looking for innovative ways to use their digital assets. This isn't just about local customers. Pi breaks down borders, connecting you to buyers worldwide. Whether you're a small shop or a growing online brand, you can now reach people in markets you never thought possible, all thanks to the power of a decentralized network. You're not just another business. You're a pioneer in a fast-growing ecosystem. Early adopters of Pi are seen as innovators, attracting attention and respect from the community. This positions your brand as forward-thinking and adaptable, qualities that customers value in today's rapidly changing world. The network effect is real. Each new business that accepts Pi increases its utility, encouraging more users to spend, which in turn attracts even more businesses. It's a cycle of growth that benefits everyone involved, creating a vibrant marketplace where digital currency thrives. Pi users are invested, they want to see the currency succeed, and are passionate about supporting businesses that accept it. This community-driven approach means you're not just gaining customers, but advocates who will help spread the word about your business. This creates loyalty and a new revenue stream you wouldn't reach otherwise. Repeat business, word-of-mouth referrals, and a sense of belonging all come together to drive your growth. Market access is the biggest advantage. By tapping into Pi's massive, engaged audience, you can grow your business without the huge marketing costs that usually come with reaching new customers. It's a smarter, more efficient way to expand your reach. You're not just adding a payment option. You're joining a movement that's reshaping how value is exchanged and how communities are built in the digital age. The upside: huge potential, low barrier to entry, and a chance to be part of something bigger than yourself. That's a strategic edge you can't afford to miss. Transaction fees are a hidden drain on every business's profits, quietly chipping away at your hard-earned revenue with every sale you make. Traditional payment methods like credit cards and PayPal can take up to 3.5% per transaction, which adds up quickly, especially for small businesses or those operating on thin margins. Pi, built on blockchain technology, is designed to keep transaction fees incredibly low, often just fractions of a cent, no matter the size of the payment. For businesses where every dollar counts, these savings can be the difference between staying afloat and going under, or between a loss and a healthy profit. By accepting Pi, you could slash your transaction fees to almost nothing, directly boosting your bottom line and freeing up resources for growth. With such low fees, microtransactions finally become practical, opening up new opportunities for creative pricing models and services that weren't possible before. It's not just about saving money, it's about transforming your entire cost structure, making your business more agile and competitive in a changing market. You can choose to keep more profit for yourself, reinvest in your business, or even pass some of those savings onto your customers through better prices or special offers. Lowering overhead is always a win, and with Pi, simplifying your finances and reducing expenses has never been easier. Embracing Pi is a forward-thinking move that positions your business for greater efficiency and long-term success. Speed matters. Customers expect instant payments. Traditional payments look fast, but settlements can take days, hurting your cash flow. Pi transactions settle in seconds, thanks to its blockchain tech. Customers enjoy a smooth, quick checkout. Scan, confirm, done. No waiting for charges to clear or funds to arrive. For businesses, this means immediate access to revenue. Better cash flow lets you pay suppliers or staff without delay. Fast, frictionless payments boost satisfaction and repeat business. In a competitive market, every second counts. Pi delivers the speed today's businesses need. Security is absolutely critical in today's digital world, especially when it comes to handling sensitive business transactions and customer data. That's why Pi's blockchain is built with security and transparency at its very core right from the start. Every transaction is permanently recorded on an immutable public ledger, making it impossible to alter or erase any record. This level of transparency not only simplifies accounting, but also helps resolve disputes instantly, with clear evidence available to all parties. With Pi, payments are final and irreversible, so you never have to worry about fraudulent chargebacks disrupting your business. Customers don't need to share sensitive personal or financial data, which dramatically reduces the risk of data breaches and identity theft. Private keys remain secure on users' own devices. Businesses enjoy clear, tamper-proof records, while customers benefit from enhanced privacy. This powerful combination of security and transparency builds genuine trust between businesses and their customers. You get all the benefits of transparency and security without the headaches and inefficiencies of traditional systems. It's a safer, smarter, and more reliable way to do business in the digital age. As trust grows, so does your reputation, helping your business thrive in a connected world. Adopting PiCoin isn't just practical, it's a statement. It shows your business is innovative and future-ready. Early adopters stand out, attracting tech-savvy customers and building loyalty. You'll get organic buzz, featured in Pi directories, discussed in forums, and shared by the community. Your story becomes part of a new digital economy. Authentic, forward-thinking brands win attention and trust. In a crowded market, this sets you apart. Pi boosts your credibility and connects you to a passionate audience. International payments are a hassle. Currency conversions, fees, and delays. Pi solves this with a single universal currency. No matter where your customer is, one Pi is one Pi. Payments are direct, with no conversion or extra costs. You can price in Pi and sell globally, easily. This levels the playing field for small businesses and artisans worldwide. You reach a global market without financial borders. Operations are simpler, costs are lower, and your reach expands. Pi makes global commerce seamless. To sum up, accepting PiCoin gives you access to a massive global market, slashes fees, speeds up payments, and boosts security. It's a bold move that signals innovation and opens your doors to new customers. The Pi mainnet is still young, but early adopters have a real advantage. Explore if Pi fits your business goals. It could be a game changer. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.